Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Luffy, Gear 5 from One Piece. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyebrows. Let's draw two curves, close to each other in the center. Then for the top, we're going to swirl it inwards. And then next to it, a small angle up. Now from the bottom, let's curve it down and bring it up on both sides. And now on top of each eyebrow, let's draw two small curves. Now let's move down in the center and let's add the nose. Let's start with two angles down and in. And then a small angle next to it. Now let's leave a gap and let's draw two lines down and a curve at the bottom. And now underneath, let's draw two curved lines for the nostrils. And that's it for the nose. Now let's hop to the sides and add the eyes. Underneath the eyebrows, let's draw a circular curve on both sides. And then inside each eye, let's add another circle. And then inside each of these, let's add another circle. And then let's color both of these rings in black. And then lastly, inside the center of each of these, let's add a small black circle. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the mouth. We'll start with a curve across for the top of the mouth. And then a larger curve underneath. Now let's move inside and let's add the teeth. Let's start with a curve across the center. And then in the middle, let's draw a line down. And then two more on both sides. And then underneath the mouth, let's draw a small curve. Now let's add a few more details. Underneath the left eye, let's draw a few diagonal lines. And then a curve underneath the right eye. And then two lines across. And that's it for the face. Now let's move to the sides and let's draw two V-shaped points down for the sideburns. And then underneath, let's angle it down. And then curve it down, meeting at a point at the bottom for the chin. Next, let's move to the sides and add the ears. Next to the sideburns, let's draw a curve up, and then bring it back down and in. And the same thing on the right. Now inside, from the top, let's draw a curve down, and angle it back in at the bottom. And then two curves next to it. And then lastly, one more curve at the bottom. That's it for the ears. Now let's hop up and let's draw the hair. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a swirl up and around like this. Now underneath, let's draw a curved V shape down to the eyebrow and back up on both sides. And then one more, next to it down to the sideburns. Now let's move up on the top left and let's add another swirl. And then above each ear, let's add another curve up, like this. Now for the sides of the hair, let's start on the left side and let's draw a wavy line up, like this. Then for the top, a small curve down. Now for the right side, let's draw another smaller wavy line, then a larger bump up and out. And then for the end, let's curve it down and back up. Now let's hop back up to the top left and let's draw a wavy line up with 2 humps like this. Then curve it down and back up. And then let's add another wavy line down, but swirl it in like this. And that's it for the hair. Now let's move down and draw the neck. Let's start under the head and let's draw 2 curves down. And then underneath, let's draw a diagonal line. And then some more going in the opposite direction. Now from both sides, let's draw a curve out for the tops of the shoulders. Now to start drawing his shirt, let's start on top and let's draw a line up and curve it out. And let's stop here. Now before we continue the shirt, let's draw the string of the hat. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve up, down, and curve it in towards the center. And let's do the same thing on the right, but we're going to leave a small gap in the middle. And now let's do the same thing next to it. Now in the gap, let's add 2 diagonal lines and close it off at the top and the bottom. And then underneath, let's draw 2 pieces of string down like this. And lastly, inside that small triangle, let's draw an angled line down and another angle on the top. Now that we're done the string, let's move back out and let's finish drawing the shoulders. Let's start on the top and let's continue the shoulder line out on both sides with a small curve. Then let's draw another curve up and angle it down on both sides for the shoulders. Now let's hop back inside and let's add some more details to the shirt. Near the neck here, let's draw another angle down and bring it down underneath the string. And the same on the right. Now on the left side, let's add an oval for the button. And then at the bottom, underneath the string in the center, let's draw a V shape. And then let's draw a zigzag line up on both sides. Lastly, let's draw the hat behind. Let's start next to the jaw and let's draw a curve down to the string and continue it underneath like this. And the same on the right. And now let's hop up and let's start next to the ear and let's draw the other side of the hat with a curve down. Now let's move in and let's add some details. Next to the inside line, let's draw a few lines up on both sides. And then lastly, let's add some curved lines on both sides like this. And that's it for Luffy Gear 5. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!